Good morning students, welcome to mathematics class. In our last lecture we have done addition and subtraction of fractional numbers and related word problems we will discuss later on. Now today's our topic is multiplication of fractional numbers. So part 1 is multiplication of fractional number and whole number, means how we can multiply a fraction by a whole number. So for this let us take an example. Multiply 3 upon 5 and 4. Here 3 upon 5 is fraction and 4 is whole number. So 4 multiply 3 upon 5 is equal to, the method is we just multiply the whole number by numerator and denominator remains same. So 4 3s are 12 upon 5. Since 12 upon 5 is improper fraction, so we can convert this into mixed number. So we divide 12 by 5. 5 2s are 10. Now you know this number is whole number, so write 2. Then the proper fraction is 2 upon 5. So the mixed number is 2 and 2 upon 5. So you have to remember, in order to get the product of a whole number and fractional number, we multiply the whole number and numerator. हम whole number और numerator को multiply करेंगे and denominator remains the same, और denominator same रहेगा. So now let us solve some questions of worksheet 6. Question number 1 is multiply. We have to multiply 1 upon 3 by 2. So the method is we multiply the numerator by a whole number and denominator remains same. So it is equals to 1 2s are 2 upon 3. This is proper fraction, so this is our answer. Part B is we have to multiply 5 upon 8 by 9. So it is equals to 5 multiply by 9 upon 8. It is equals to 9 5s are 45 upon 8. Now 45 upon 8 is improper fraction, so we can convert this into mixed number. So for this we divide 45 by 8. Now 8 5s are 45 remainder. So now this is whole number 5. Then proper fraction is 5 upon 8. So this is our answer. Part C is we have to multiply 4 and half multiply by 4. So first of all we convert this mixed number into improper fraction. So it is equals to 4 2s are 8, 8 and 1 9. हम इन दोनों नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और फिर इनमें 1 ऐड करेंगे. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So it is equals to 9 upon 2. Multiply by 4. Now we know 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So finally 9 multiply by 2 upon 1. So the answer is 18 upon 1 or simple 18. Part second is multiplication of fractional number by another fractional number. Means हम two fractions को कैसे multiply करेंगे. So for this let us multiply 2/5 by 3/7. आप इस एग्जाम्पल में देखो हमें दोनों फ्रैक्शंस गिवन हैं. फर्स्ट इज़ 2/5 एंड सेकेंड इज़ 3/7. Now the method is we multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So 2 3s are 6, 5 7s are 35. So 6/35 is our answer. So you have to remember, in order to multiply two fractional numbers, we multiply the numerators and denominators separately. यानी कि हम न्यूमिरेटर्स और डिनोमिनेटर्स को अलग अलग मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व सम क्वेश्चंस ऑफ वर्कशीट 7. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज मल्टीप्लाई द फॉलोइंग फ्रैक्शनल नंबर्स. फर्स्ट वन इज 2/3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4/5. यू नो द मेथड. मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमिरेटर बाय न्यूमिरेटर and denominator by denominator. It is equals to 4 2s are 8 and 5 3s are 15. So 8/15 is proper fraction. So this is our answer. Part E is multiply 3 and 1/4 multiply 8 by 9. So first of all convert this mixed number into improper fraction. So 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is equals to 13/4. Multiply by 8/9. Now we can reduce this into simplest form. For this 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now 13 multiplied by 2 is equals to 26. 9 multiplied by 1 is 9. Now this is improper fraction, so we can change this into mixed number. So it is equals to 2 and 8 by 9. Similarly, you can solve all the questions of worksheet 6 and 7. Thank you and have a nice day.